There you go.
I'm scared now.
That's fine. I'll go on. Okay.
Can I blow it out? Well, then, like.
Okay, now blow that. There you
Oh
go.
man, I wanted to blow that.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grammy. Happy birthday to you.
And I have to blow out the
And
candle.
Make a wish. Make a wish first. Make a wish.
Addie and Kaysen made this cake for me.
Make a wish.
And many more.
Woohoo!
Woo!
69 candles is too many. So, I'll make 50.
Got it.
Daddy, you should get the oil.
Got it.
Got it.
Okay, hold on. I forgot what I needed.
Uh,
I need water though.
Addie, say Shayla just texted you.
Okay, cool.
Got
No?
the cake mix.
Yeah. Okay.
It's not open.
I knew that. Okay. Anyways,
No, it's not open.
we only have 4 minutes though. You
Ah.
have scissors. Let me get scissors. Didn't I get that in your face? Did I get that in your face?
Well, then I can eat it. Well, can I at least pour it in?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My finger's sweating. Okay. Pour that in. Put that bowl.
All of it?
Yeah.
We.
Okay. Now, we already. That's good.
Okay. Yay.
Water. We need water. Where's the?
A mini bowl and it's taking me to out.
Oh, I knew that. I'm smart. Are we doing a small one or a big one? Okay, now I need oil. Do I have? Okay, 1.5 cup of oil. Okay. We need. Oh, perfect. We have 3 eggs. What I call coincidence.
What a coincidence.
Okay. Okay. Let me put these back in there, bro.
And how about you do one, I do one, and then you do one.
Okay. We am really bad at.
So like
Really bad at.
you
I'm
do
gonna get
2, and then I do 1.
I don't know what you're talking about. I didn't do anything. Wait, bro. This is so bad. I'm not good at cracking eggs, bro.
I'm really good at cracking eggs.
Okay, was that did I cook? I don't think I cooked.
No.
Okay.
Him,
go.
you kind of did. You kind of did.
Why don't you crack them? Because we only have a minute, bro. Do we have like a mixer? Because it says